Somali politicians have been closely following the reaction to the decision by the International Court of Justice on Somalia's maritime boundary with Kenya.
Somalia, Mr. Mohammed Omar Ibrahim.
The verdict, which largely favors Mogadishu, could bring hundreds of billions of energy dollars to the nation. So, of course, some of those running for president would like a share of the credit for the apparent victory. President Mohamed Farmajo spoke after the judgment was rendered. He continued his feud with the Kenyan government over his allegations of meddling in national affairs. But there was also mentions of his government not wavering under pressure from Nairobi.
This victory does not belong to anyone specific. It does not discriminate between pro-government or opposition groups, nor does its credit belong to specific individuals. It is rather a victory that belongs to all Somalis and will be passed on to future generations.
Former President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud also celebrated the verdict as a win for Somalia. He posted his thoughts online.
Congratulations to all Somalis. This victory is due to the thought, effort, hard work, perseverance, prayer, and unity of Somalia that was the basis for getting to where we are today. It is a national victory that shows together.
Many see his words as trying to remind potential voters that the case was brought to the ICJ during Mohamud's administration. He is considered a front-runner to regain the post when balloting finally takes place later this year or early 2022. Hassan Ali Khairi was prime minister during many of the court's hearings. He didn't mention the verdict specifically, talking very presidentially about patriotic ideals after the judgment was announced. The court's announcement also coincided with Flag Day in Somalia.
I have no doubt that we can succeed as a nation and as a government if we come up with a unified goal, a clear vision, and a common vision based on genuine leadership.
Khairi is also considered a strong candidate for president due to his high profile during the Farmajo administration. Current Prime Minister Mohamed Roble didn't post his thoughts about the ICJ decision online. He did, however, meet with a delegation of lawyers who tackled the case. Afterwards, he praised their work and indicated that Somalia would always respect international law. ADN TV will continue to report on political and diplomatic developments affecting Somalia.